Today we are here at Cars Autos to check out the prices of affordable foreign used cars and Nigerian fairly used cars for you to buy. And the price of this car is 5.5 million naira and it is negotiable. And it's going for 7.5 million naira. It is still negotiable. And it's going for 7.8 million naira and it is negotiable. Go to the comment section now and tell me the type and price of the car you are looking for, and I will make a video about it just for you. And this car is going for 11 million naira and it is still negotiable. Wait, don't make payments for any of these cars until you have done your physical inspections and test drive.
My name is Mr. Chukwunonso Okongwu. You're welcome to Cars Auto Sales Enterprises. If you need any of this car, you can call my phone number 080-355-84900.
This is 2016 foreign used Mercedes-Benz GLE 43 AMG Coupe. It has a V6 engine. This is the interior, a very brown, clean leather seat interior. The dashboard, AC is keyless entry, reverse camera. You can see how clean everything is. That's the back seat right there. Lovers of Mercedes, you can see this is portable and it has a panoramic roof. Mercedes-Benz GLE 43 AMG Coupe. This is direct version, buy and drive. You have absolutely nothing to worry about. And the price of this car is 78 million naira, but it is slightly negotiable. This is 2017 foreign used Lexus RX 350 F Sport. This is the engine. It has V6 engine. Now this is a beautiful luxury interior, black upon black, reverse camera, AC, Android screen, keyless entry, mouse control buttons. That's the back seat. This car is so luxury, sunshade nets by the side door, and it has a panel roof. RX 350 F Sport with a reverse camera, 2017 model. Like and share this video. Follow us and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Video Map TV now. And this lovely car is going for 60 million naira and it is still negotiable. This is a 2017 foreign used Lexus RX 350, lovers of RX, and this is the engine, V6 engine. This is the interior. It has a leather seat interior. You can see keyless entry, leather dashboard, Android screen, reverse camera, AC, mouse, automatic drive. That's the back seat right there. Right, the Lexus is always looking luxurious. You can see, yeah. RX 350 with a reverse camera. This car is going for 47 million naira. Don't forget it is still negotiable. This is 2017 foreign used Toyota Highlander. That's the V6 engine. It's 2GR. This is the interior. It has a leather seat. The dashboard, the AC, reverse camera is keyless entry, control buttons. Take a look at the back seat view. It also has a third row seat, AC vent on the roof, and it has a sunroof. XLE with a reverse camera, 2017 model, and this car is going for 35 million naira. It is still negotiable. This is 2017 foreign used Acura MDX. Here we go. It has V6 engine. This is the interior, a leather seat interior, very beautiful and soft, keyless entry, mouse, reverse camera. These are control buttons on the steering. Take a look at the back seat. You can see how soft this car is with the third row seat right there, and this car has a sunroof. 2017 model. It has a reverse camera right there, and I'm giving you this car for 35 million naira and it's still negotiable. This is 2016 foreign used Mercedes-Benz GLC 300. It has 4 plugs for an economical engine. Here we go, a beautiful black leather seat interior. You can see the dashboard, reverse camera, AC, mouse, is keyless entry, control buttons. You can see the back seat. This car is okay and is screaming luxury and is going for distressed price. It has a sealed roof. GLC 300. It has a reverse camera. This car is going for distressed price, which is 28 million naira. This is 2016 foreign used Mercedes-Benz GLA 250. It has 4 plugs engine. Now this is the interior of this car. It's leather seat, the reverse camera, AC, keyless entry, the steering with control buttons. That's the back seat view. It's very comfortable, double panel roof. GLA 250 4matic with a reverse camera, and the price of this car is 28 million naira and it's negotiable. This is 2014 foreign used Lexus RX 350. It has 2GR V6 engine. This is the interior, a leather seat interior, dashboard, AC is keyless entry. You can see everything is so perfect, screaming luxury, and this car has a sunroof. 2014 model with a reverse camera, and the price of this car is 27 million naira. It is still negotiable. This is 2009 foreign used Toyota Venza. This is V6 2GR. Alright, this is the interior. It has leather seat, keyless entry, dashboard, AC, reverse camera, automatic drive, control buttons on the steering. The back seat is still comfortable for everyone in your family, and it also has double panoramic roof. 2009 model, and this car is going for 23 million naira, and it is negotiable. Here we go, 2014 foreign used Toyota RAV4. This is the engine, dual VVTi 4+ engine. This is the interior, very okay. AC, reverse camera, sound system, control buttons on the steering. The back seats view is very okay too, and this car has a sunroof. XLE all-wheel drive. It has a reverse camera right here, and it's 2014 model. The price of this RAV4 is 23 million naira. It is still negotiable. This is 2011 foreign used Mercedes-Benz C300. It has V6 engine, you can see it. This is the interior, a leather seat, dashboard, the reverse camera is right there. It's key entry, you can see. The back seat is very comfortable. It has sunshade net at the back, and it has a sunroof. C300 4matic, it has a reverse camera, and this car is going for 13 million naira. It is negotiable. This is 2006 very used Lexus RX 330. Okay, here we go. It's VVTi V6 3.3 liters engine. This is the interior. It's leather seat with this beautiful Formica here, automatic drive, AC. That's the back seat right there. And this car also has a sunroof. RX 350, and this car is going for 13 million naira, and it is still negotiable. This is 2012 foreign used Toyota Corolla luxury edition, and this is the engine. Dual VVTi is 4 plugs. This is the interior, is fabric seat. You can see the AC for my car's automatic drive, steering. There's the back seat right there. You can see it's still very okay with a sealed roof. 2012 model, and this car is going for 11 million naira, and it is still negotiable. This is 2008 used Toyota Camry. This is 4 plugs engine. This is the interior, clean dashboard, AC, automatic drive, clean for my car's reverse camera. You can see the back seat also. It's fabric interior, and this car has a sealed roof. 2008 model, and it's going for 7.8 million naira, and it is negotiable. This is 2004 Nigerian used Toyota Highlander. It has V6 engine, 3.3 liters. This is the interior of this car, leather seat, the dashboard, AC, sound system, automatic drive. You know, when I was in primary school, our headmasters and headmistress used to normally use this car. It also has a third row seat there, so you can get it for one around your area. It is sunroof. 2004 model, and it's going for 7.5 million naira. It is still negotiable. This is 2006 Nigerian used Toyota Corolla Sport Edition. This is 4 plugs engine. This is the interior. It has a fabric interior, upon blue rather. The AC, reverse camera. This is automatic drive. That's the back seat right there. It's a used car, but still intact with a sealed roof. 2006 model, and the price of this car is 5.5 million naira, and it is negotiable. Name 3 cars you will advise people to buy today and why.
In terms of car, we have so many brands of cars, but what I would advise people to buy, Lexus, and the second goes to Mercedes and the Toyota, because they are reliable. They doesn't give so much issue like that.
What will you advise people to watch out for when they're buying foreign used car?
First of all, you go for the engine and the gearbox. The third one is the body. Some other things can be fixed.
Name 1 car you will not advise anyone to buy today and why.
No one.
Do you swap cars?
Yes.
Where do you get your cars from?
I get my cars from US and I get from Dubai.
Do you rent cars? Or you do car renting?
No.
Are the prices of your cars negotiable?
Yes, they are more affordable and negotiable.
Do you accept installmental payments?
Yes.
So what's the price of the cheapest car you have here in your dealership?
The cheapest car I have in my dealership here is 15 million.
Why are the prices of foreign used cars going up these days?
It's because of the clearing and the dollaring. Yes, they are not stable. They used to go up and come down. So where the dollar is up, definitely the car price will go up.
Do you do car delivery services to your buyers?
Yes, it depends.
Are your cars stolen cars?
No.
Please ensure that everything is working perfectly well before you make any payment. Even if you no wan buy car, abeg, like and share this video. Follow us and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Video Map TV. Now.
My name is Mr. Chikunonso Okong. You're welcome to Lonkas Auto Sale Enterprises. If you need any of this car, you can call my phone number 080 355 84900. 080 355 84900. That's also my WhatsApp. Address is at 2nd Avenue 205 by the opposite Tatiana Hotel, Lagos, Nigeria, First Town.